How to start affiliate marketing with no money on jvzoo.com. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can start your affiliate marketing on jvzoo without any money whatsoever. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to jvzoo.com. Now jvzoo is a online free affiliate marketing website, and as you can see, we have Payoneer, Aweber, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, and GetResponse. All these big companies are affiliated with them, and they have an instant affiliate program with over 800,000 active affiliates. So it's pretty easy, and you can get started for free. It's absolutely free. No setup or maintenance fees ever. You will only pay when you make profit. Virtually zero risk of loss, as you pay for sales, not for traffic. jvzoo is always 100% free for affiliates. You keep 100% of the commission you earn. There are never hoops to jump through to get paid. So let's just jump into it. So now that you know a little bit about jvzoo, we can go ahead and sign up and start for free. So you can click on start for free and you can sign up. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up. So click on the get started button, and over here all you have to do is enter in your full legal name, your email address, and then enter in a password, enter in your country, and then just simply check this button and click on register. And then all you have to do is just verify your account, meaning you have to go to your email address, verify your account, and then select a way to get paid, meaning select a payment method, either by bank transfer or for online transactions such as Payoneer or PayPal, and then they'll give you a recommended tool that you can promote and earn money from. So I've already made an account. It's very easy. I've just told you what to do. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in on my account, and I will show you what to do next. So once you sign in, this is how it will look like. And over here you can see we currently everything is 0, but that really doesn't matter because this is a brand new account, and I have to show you what to do. So what you want to do is come over to affiliates, and down below in affiliates you will find approved products. You have find products, find contests, and affiliate bonuses and transactions and stuff like that. So what I want you guys to do is come over down to affiliates and click on find products. So click on products. So once you click on products, these are going to be all the products that are appear. So as you can see, we have these are not approved yet because they have the request approval. We have to wait for their approval for the products to actually get approved, and then we can start recommending those tools and start earning money through them as commission through the affiliate program. So now let's just go over to approved products, and these are going to be the products that have been approved and are ready to be shown to the world, and we can get the links and we can make money from them. So over here, as you can see, we have Pro Themes add-on membership for Video Maker FX, Video Profit FX training and themes for Video Makers FX, Pro Theme Pack for Video Maker FX. So these are some of the things that we could do. So all we have to do is click on the get link, and it'll show us a link, and we can copy that link, and we can promote that link. Okay, so guys, I'm over here in product approval section. It doesn't really matter because these are going to be the private products. Basically what that means is that once you click on request approval, the person that has created this product is going to contact you. He or she is going to ask you some questions, and they'll basically ask you, how are you going to promote my product, and what is your strategy plan and stuff like that. And if they approve of your plan, they're going to approve your request, and they'll give you the affiliate link, and you'll take that affiliate link, and then you'll able to promote that link. Now I'm sure you're wondering how you can promote it. I'll get to that in a second. Let's just assume that this is the product that we are trying to promote, Doodle Maker Enterprise. Now it's a pretty cool product. It's a really good editor. It's like Doodly, but it's similar to Doodly. Okay, so let's just assume this is the product that we want to promote. Let's just say, so we go over to YouTube. Now this is my incognito YouTube, because the YouTube algorithm because of the YouTube algorithm, it'll show us the other products, and depending upon the YouTube algorithm, that those products are going to be shown up. But since this is in the incognito mode, the algorithm is fresh, it has no data on me, so it won't recommend those types of videos. So what I want you guys to do is search for Doodle Maker, and as you can see, these are the type of the videos that come up. So we have Doodle Maker review, Doodle Maker review, Doodle Maker review, Doodle Maker tutorial, And if you click on Doodle Maker over here, we have Doodle Maker video, tutorial, sample, crack, and versus Doodly and stuff like that. So these are the types of videos that you are going to be creating. Basically, you're going to be creating reviews and smaller reviews and stuff like that. To make a video, you don't have to show your face like I am making it right now. You don't have to show your face. You only have to use the OBS software. Now, this is the software that I use. This is OBS. It's completely free. It's it's brand friendly. It doesn't have ads or stuff like that. No watermark whatsoever. Just simply download this software and then just simply click on start recording, and it'll start recording your screen. Buy a microphone for the good quality of audio. If you don't, it's pretty simple. You can use your phone for audio. It's really easy. And then you can just record your screen, make a small review video of the product. Now let's just go ahead and play this video over here. And once you have made that video and uploaded it, what you want to do next is you want to take that affiliate link that you have got from that person, and what you want to do is like add it in the description box over here. Now I'm sure this person has done it as well, and over here, as you can see, this is my affiliate marketing courses. He has added his affiliate marketing link over here, which means that he is making money from this video as well, from YouTube and from the affiliate program as well. So let's just say that now this video has 14,000 views, which is a lot. It's close to 15,000. So let's just assume that each person that for this affiliate link, he gets like $10. Okay, $10 is not a lot, but I don't know how much money you can make through the affiliate links, because each product has its own pricing and each person is going to give you different prices, so depending upon those prices. But let's just assume that this person is getting $10 per click. So if you multiply $10 by 4,000 views, and let's just assume that 4,000 people have have clicked on it. So you know what, let's just go down to, let's just go down a little bit. Let's just say that even 1,000 people have clicked on it. Out of those 15,000 people, 1,000 people have clicked on it, and if we multiply it by 10, we get 10,000 views. We get $10,000. So which is quite a lot of money. Okay, which is quite a lot of money. Like, people don't understand that you guys can make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. It's an untapped market and people don't realize it, and it's really, really good. All you have to do is just simply get a product, request it, get the affiliate link, make a video about it, enter your affiliate link in the description, and then just leave the rest and just sit back, enjoy the money. You don't even have to work anything, and you don't even have to make like continuous video about it. You can make a video once a month, once a week, or every day. Depends upon you. That's the great thing about affiliate marketing and stuff like this. Like, you don't have to continuously work. Make a small video and enjoy the rewards, and just sit back and relax and let the cash flow come in. So you guys get the idea. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you help me by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel, and also hitting the bell icon. And I'm telling you that because that way you'll be notified when we upload videos, and we always upload videos daily about products like these, about websites like these, that can help you grow your business, and that can help you earn more money. So you don't have to work like a 9 to 5 job. You can just stay at home and watch our videos. Maybe you'll find a product or a website that is most suitable for you, like this one over here. As I said, you can just simply make a video about any of these products, and then you can upload them in the description box, add your affiliate link, and then you will be golden. So that's just a reminder for you guys. So be sure you hit subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. So, and having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.